We've all looked back at our trading decisions and asked ourselves, why did I even do that? The setup was right, the signals were good, yet somehow you still lost. That's not random, that's wiring. In the past episode, we spoke about the nervous system, how much tension and uncertainty it can actually hold. But there is another layer beneath that, the subconscious mind. Your subconscious is like the software. It holds the beliefs and programs you picked up from childhood. And your nervous system is like the hardware. It reacts in real time, either keeping you calm or pushing you into panic. So if your subconscious says money is evil, money doesn't grow on trees, or money is scarce, your nervous system will fire off anxiety anytime you're about to hold profit. So ask yourself, what did your childhood program you to believe about money? Many of us grew up hearing money is hard to get or rich people are evil, and in the movies, think about it. In most of the movies we watch around here, who's the saint? The poor guy. Who's the devil? The rich guy. You see? The poor are painted as honest, calm, and trustworthy, while the rich are arrogant, evil, and corrupt. Over time, our subconscious takes that in like a warning. If I make money, I might become like those people. So without us even realizing it, the mind starts doing everything possible to keep us from getting or keeping money. These little things that look inconsequential actually shape the subconscious more than we realize. I'm not saying don't watch movies. Of course, watch them. But watch consciously. Don't just watch the story on the screen. Also watch what it's doing inside you while watching. So when a winning setup comes along, the mind finds a way to sabotage it. It convinces you not to take it. It whispers 1,000 reasons why it won't work. And even if you push through and take the trade, you won't have the capacity to hold it. You'll probably exit too early, pressured by the discomfort of actually winning. But when it's a losing trade, suddenly you can hold that one forever. Sometimes it may even feel like the market is hunting you, like some external force knows exactly where price is going, but makes you do the opposite. You buy, and right then the market drops. You sell, and suddenly it rallies. That's not bad luck. That's your subconscious at work. It's the self calling you, inviting you to finally pay attention and do the needful. And let me make it practical. Some of you know this experience all too well. You subscribe to a highly performing signal service. They are posting solid weekly results, right? Yet somehow you still blow your account when taking their signals. You still lose money. Why is that? Let me break it down. The signals are there. Maybe they post 2 or 3 trades. But what do? You only take the ones that lose, unconsciously of course. And on the days you actually take all of them, you close the winning trades too early and leave the losing ones running. Does that sound familiar to you? That's not the provider's fault. That's the subconscious wiring at work. We've spoken about risk capacity before. This is it. Your subconscious shapes what your nervous system can actually handle. If you don't rewire it, no strategy, no signals, no perfect setup will save you. You will always find yourself repeating the same story. That's your programming, the hidden story you are made of. And that's why you sometimes look around and see others making money easily from the market while you struggle. It's not that they are smarter or luckier, it's simply that they are programmed differently. The earlier you understand this, the better for you. Your story is different, and the path to your breakthrough will come from working on your own wiring, not theirs. And this doesn't just play out on the charts. If you pay attention, you will see it in your personal life too. Underperforming at work, struggling in your relationships, poor decision making. It's the same root. Not the outside world, not your boss, not your partner, not the charts. It's the program running inside you. It's time to stop outsourcing the answer to someone else's method or signals. Your pain, your irritation, your discomfort, they are not the enemy. They are teachers pointing you towards the program, the story that needs rewriting. How do you rewire, you ask? That's exactly what this whole series is about. What I've been sharing with you from episode 1 until now, risk capacity, grounding, expanding the nervous system, integration, all of it is part of the rewiring process. I encourage you to take time to go through the playlist. You'll find it in the description box below. They are not just random lessons. Together, they are the core of rebuilding the trader within. So, as you step back into the market this week, carry this with you. The market isn't the problem. Your setup isn't the problem, nor is it the signal service. The wiring is. Until we meet again, trade smart, trade consciously.